Now I want to get back to the big major story, which is our Weather Action Day delay. Latest numbers from FlightAware, 267 delays. They're constantly ticking up this morning at DIA. One cancellation. We do want to bring in Ashley Forrest from the airport.
Yeah. Hey, Ashley, thanks so much for joining us. We've been following updates from the FAA showing a ground delay starting at 8 a.m. for snow removal and runway treatment. They're showing about a delay of about a half hour or so. From your perspective, what is the status of flights getting in and out of DIA right now?
So good morning. So first and foremost, our operations are normal here at DIN. We do see the delays, and we also remind passengers as well that some of the delays also include de-icing. So those de-icing measures could take 10 to 15 minutes as soon as a passenger boards their flight. So we want to make sure we add and factor that in. But overall, we are seeing wet roads at this time, and we advise passengers to arrive to the airport at least 2 hours prior to their boarding time.
Ashley, thank you so much. Now, you and I spoke a little bit earlier. You were mentioning how, this is kind of the first significant snow that we've seen in the metro in quite some time. And you were saying that one thing that you really want to emphasize are the road conditions and people who might be traveling on Pena or some of the other roads to get into the airport.
Yes, so that is one of the utmost priorities. As I said, we know the roads can be slick. We know that it has been quite a few months since we've had this type of weather. And so we want everyone to be safe, getting to the airport, drive slow, take your time. And that also includes adding time to get to the airport. We want to make sure that everyone is safe. This is the first weather that we've seen for the Denver area. And so safety is one of our #1 priorities.
All right, that is good advice to keep in mind this morning. Thank you so much, Ashley.